Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to bring the video of there is a AI tool which help us to write the codings. And if you have any doubt regarding the coding, you will be able to solve. Okay, so here this called as Ping AI. So this is the recently they launched this AI. This is a very best AI. So here you can see this AI. You can see this AI search engine for developers solve the coding problem. This AI help us to those who are building a website and they want to uh, drive the traffic into the website. They want to rank the website into the Google first page. This AI will help us to do that things. This called as this AI solve the coding problem as well. So here you can see we don't need to log in anything else. So here there is a simple the user interface is very simple. We can click try. Okay, here there is a simple chat box they are given. Okay, this is a simple chat box. Here where you can ask any problem regarding your program. So I'm a Java developer as well as a digital marketer. So I'm asking as a Java developer. So first you have to put the prompt correctly. Act as a Java developer. I want to add two numbers. I want to add two numbers in Java console. So click the chat box. Now the chat box is enabled. Now you have to wait. First they must think. Okay, but the things are given. First you have to think. Okay, first they get the mind what the things you are given here. Okay, after that only after you think and get the answer he reply. It takes some time. That's the things you have to. That is a good knowledge of this artificial intelligence. Okay, so now here it's generated best output for us. Here it easily understand you add two numbers, the scan their implementation, the scanner class. After that, there is a public class, there is a class name, public static void main. Okay, so here they are implementation of scanner class. Here the double, this is a very good things. Okay, so that here this enter the your numbers, that's loop it. Okay, so here until you can get the answer after that. This is the thing, simple stuff. You can get the answer. Okay, they provide the lot of things here. The first way is this. You can try out the simple example, basic addition. Okay, uh, that is the benefit of this AI tool. Some other AI tool, if you try out, only given one example only. This AI tool given the different example. You can hear this is a basic addition part. Scan. Okay. If you want to more advanced, go to the sun, add multiple numbers. Okay, you can use it the loop and all. After that, if you want the continuous addition until the use stops, your third one. This all things after that is fourth one. So here there's another simple one. So here you have to try out this all things here one prompt given different programming examples. Okay, this is a very best AI tool I recommend. Okay, so here I have try out the one prompt. I want to add two numbers in Java console. They given the different answers. Okay, that's why this pin AI is very famous and fabulous AI tool. Okay. Uh, okay, I haven't seen this kind of a tool before. Okay, it's very good AI tool. Okay, you must try out this tool. It's very good tool. Okay, so not only the programming. If you go to that AI tool, I am going to try out there. I'm going to open the new chat box over here. Okay, at the moment it is free, so we don't need to uh, invest any money. Okay, there's a free cost. I can't promise in future also free. Future they implemented some pricing because this AI tool is very good. Okay, no one give this kind of example for free. This AI tool given us for free example. So this is the good AI tool. Okay, so Here you can try out the any language. So in React, I want to act as a React program, React specialist. Okay, so if you have any spelling mistake, you can correct like this. So here you can tell them I need to calculate. I need to add two numbers, two numbers in React. Okay, click it. Okay, the thing is very good. Okay, if you have typed the front and uh, click the button, the right away it generates the answer. That is not efficient. Okay, it takes some time to prepare the answer based on the question. After that, completely study what is your problem, what you are looking for. Actually, what is your problem, what you are looking for. Get the mind and answer. That is a good way. Okay, that's the things that AI tool will be acting. Okay, so that first you have to read your okay here everything here. This also that they are given the different answer. Okay, so this AI tool, very best AI tool, you must try out it. Okay, so I'm always looking for a new AI tool, which tool is best. I'm always researching that. Today I'm getting this AI tools very helpful as to those who wants the beginner of the programmer, or those who are currently working as a programmer. This all the peoples get benefit and help for this. Okay, so when you are writing the programmer, you can concern and consider this one. It's a very best AI tool. So you no need to jump so that the code and everything. So that this code you cannot understand. You just copy and put into the chat GBT, and you can ask them to explain each and every line. Okay, so it explain each and every line of the code in the efficient way. Okay, you don't need to jump it. Okay, so that is the things. Okay, okay, so this is a very good AI tool. I recommend it. In 2026 you must try out it. If you are not try out this kind of AI tool. Okay, this is very must. Okay, thank you for watching.